Outstanding design defines the 2007 Jeep Wrangler. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, our dealership is a great place to do business.